Okay, y'all. Little tutorial, maybe, if it shows up. We'll see how this works. Used zip ties before. You can see the zip ties hanging up here that we use to temporarily put the netting up. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm using stainless steel safety wire and a pair of safety wire pliers. And so you wrap it around, clamp it in, and then you start pulling on this thing on the end of the pliers, and it starts winding the wire, and you have to get it to a certain tight area where it's not too tight. And then I just take these ends and fold them up, and now you have the wire is secured, the netting rather is secured to the pole and the fencing with stainless steel safety wire. This is the safety wire that I actually bought, and this one is a 41 thousandths, little bit thick sometimes, makes the pliers a bit difficult to use, but basically that's it in a nutshell.